Here's a pair of Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect directly to your TCL Smart TV. This is a TCL Android TV. So the first thing you want to do is go to the settings on your TCL TV. On your remote, you may have a settings button or a gear button. If not, we can go in the top right hand side. Just click on your home button and then go to the gear icon all the way up to the top right. Right there, that's the settings. Click on OK. And then from here, we're just going to go down, all the way down to remotes and accessories down there. Click on OK. And then from here, we're going to click on Add Accessory right there. And then before pairing this device, make sure that they are turned on and is discoverable. OK. So I'm going to go ahead and click on OK right there. Now searching for devices that are in pairing mode. Okay, so we need to put these in pairing mode. So let's go ahead and open these up here. Let's take these out, and to get these in pairing mode, they basically have to blink blue and red. Okay, mine's solid blue here. Let me hold the sensors here for a few seconds until I see blue and red light blinking. Okay, there's blue and red light blinking. It's in pairing mode, and it just popped up on the TV up there, the Momentum 3. Let's go down right there, click on OK. It says pairing. It's already connected. You can see the solid blue lights on there right now. Pairing request. Go ahead and click on pair right there. It says connecting. Now it says paired right there. And you can see the Momentum TW3 down there. It is connected. So there you go. So now I can go ahead and use these to watch Netflix or YouTube or whatnot. Okay. If you guys have issues where you couldn't get it into pairing mode or you couldn't connect, you can always factory reset these as well. I'll have a link below how to factory reset these. Okay, good luck guys.